Hello, Chris. First of all, I'd like to say that I really liked how you organized your site. Everything starts from the home page, and the black background was a really good idea and makes graphics and pictures really pop. So I thought that was really nice. Moving on to the about page. This is the one that really struck me. The picture you chose is a really good picture. I like that it's an action shot, a working shot with the camera. It really adds a professional touch and adds a lot of credibility to the appearance of the business. So I thought that was very smart and very creative when you were thinking of a picture for that. Let's move on to the contact page. Looking at the contact page, overall this page is outstanding. I love the logo you have here. It looks very professional, very sleek, very simple. Represents the company image very well. What I thought was a really good addition was the map feature. The map feature you have down here was really great. So it's right where you're located on the Google Maps. You have your phone number. You're located in Austin, Texas. I just thought that was unbelievable. I didn't even think about that. So really well done there. Provides potential customers with seeing right where you are relative to themselves. I think that adds another level of access to your business, knowing that you're right there where the customers can locate you physically. So I think, yeah, it's really well done. Now I want to go back to the home page real quick. This is one that I had a question about this. It seems like this opening video, I think it is. I don't know if it's supposed to be an image or a video. It looks like it duplicates itself from the work page. Because you have it here on the home page, and then you have it here on the work page. If I was to suggest something, it'd probably be that maybe try and for open page I have like a picture, or actually put your company logo here. The company logo would go great on the home page, or even a picture replacing this video, and then instead of your name, Chris, and your last name, I put your company logo up there, right up here, because if you go to the about page, you have your name there, and that's kind of telling you about yourself and your company. So I think that's the only thing I'd really change. But other than that, man, it's fine. It's simple, sleek, easy to access, and overall really great job. Yeah, I look forward to seeing what else you come up with, man. So take it easy.